Hey guys, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to increase sharpness in Premiere Pro. First, add the video whose sharpness you want to increase or decrease to your timeline. Then, type sharpen in the search bar in the effects panel. And by holding down the mouse, drag and drop the sharpen effect onto the video in the timeline. Then, open the window tab from the menu at the top and click on Effect Controls. Now, you can increase the sharpness of your video on the timeline by increasing the sharpen amount in the Effect Controls panel. As you can see, the sharpness of my video has increased. You can experiment to find the best sharpen setting for your own video. Also, you can reopen the effects panel and add an unsharp mask effect to your video using the same method. The combination of sharpen and unsharp mask effects will increase both sharpness and clarity. Finally, open the Effect Controls panel again and adjust the values of the unsharp mask effect to your liking. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to increase sharpness in Adobe Premiere Pro has been helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.